Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, GoodYear Duratracs tires, as well as lane keep assist, spray bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped to the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with a bit of chrome accents. You're also going to have these tubular running boards here. And onto the seats, these leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Super nice. Left side, you'll have your drive mode selector, your 2- and 4-wheel, and lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, as well as a heated steering wheel, the black bow tie. The right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer cluster control, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, classic colored truck shifter, and now let's see the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot as well as trailering. You can access your climate, and as well as your rear camera with hitch guidance. Below that will be your dual zone climate control with the heated seats, and as well as park assist, auto stop, and as well as hill descent control with the integrated brake controller, 2 USB ports, and as well as a 12 volt and an AC wall port. Center console, lots of extra storage, as well as 2 more USB ports and an SD card reader. Passenger side is manually adjustable, same leather heated finish, with a chrome across with the double glove box. Speakers and vents up top, some storage. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power rear sliding window. So you're going to these blacked out 18-inch wheels on GoodYear Duratracs tires. You're going to have the Z71 package badging, as well as paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. You got the sun guards up top, Trail Boss badging in the back here, with the corner step bumper, the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Back, you're going to have 2 LED lamps as well as a backward AC wall port, around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, you get more paneling and storage right next to the speaker, power window with a wooden chrome accent. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation and USB ports, as well as right in the center, cup holder armrest. You're going to have storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps at the top and handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as leather heated seats, tow hooks, a 2-inch lift, as well as GoodYear Duratracs tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.